Hello children, I am here with you once again with a new lesson of NCERT book of class 5, subject English. Today we are going to read an interesting poem of teamwork. Children, do you know what is teamwork? Yes, when we are doing any work with the help of others, it means we are doing teamwork. Teamwork is very important. We can do what we wish to do by working together. Children, do you like to work and play with others? Yes, I know. You like to play various games. So here I am showing you some pictures of famous personalities and you tell me who are they? MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan and Virat Kohli. Yes, you are right. They are the Indian cricket team members. Now I am showing you some pictures of different sports. Here in this first picture, they are playing hockey. In this second picture, they are playing football. In this third picture, they are playing basketball. These all games are showing their teamwork. Now you see this next picture. This is the another example of teamwork. In this picture they are making film. So to make a film we need a film director, film producer, artist, cameraman, choreographer, singers, dancers and viewers. Now you see the next picture. This is the picture of a school. To run a good school we need a good principal, teachers and cooperation of students. This is the picture of a restaurant. To run a restaurant we need manager, cooks, waiters and diners. Ants are the very good example of teamwork. They can carry heavy things with the help of other ants. Now, before we start the poem, let's find the meaning of difficult words of this poem. First word is teamwork. Its meaning is combined effort of a group. Second word is hoop. Here, its meaning wooden or iron ring trundled along by a child. Third word is passes. Its meaning is move onward. Fourth word is shoots. Its meaning is hits. Fifth word is relay race. Its meaning is race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Sixth word is baton and its meaning is short tube or stick carried in relay race. Seventh word is parts and its meaning is portions. Now before we start this poem, let's find the meaning of this poem. Now let's start the poem. Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. It means work together, only in this way we can make your dreams come true. Then we will share the joy of what we have done, teamwork, everyone. It means then by saying what we have done, we will be happy to work together. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. It is very fun to throw the basketball out of the rings, But if no one player does not forward the ball to the other player, no one can hit the ball. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. It means, and if the player does not want to pass the baton, then the relay race cannot continue at all. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. It means we are a small part of the group. Small parts together form a whole group, and then our vision is on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. It means when you and an I form a we, this is sometimes an important positive point. And this is the teamwork poems end. And teamwork is the key to success. Now we are going to complete the following sentences. First is, if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't shoot. Second, in a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then a relay race cannot go on. Next question is, name the team members needed for the following. First is already done. First is, to play cricket we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders and coaches. Second, to make a film we need director, actors, cameraman and viewers. Third, to run a good school we need principal, teachers and students. Fourth, to run a restaurant we need manager, cooks, waiters and diners. Next question is, complete the sets of rhyming words. And one is already done for you. Words from the poem on the upper part of this table, and lower parts of this table you will be fill your own words. Team, beam, plus bus, done, gun, hoop, loop, shoot, root, goal, soul, joy, toy. Next is contractions. In this poem, we already saw many contractions. We sometimes use short forms for some words. For example, we use I am for I am and I am for I have. These shortened words are called contractions. The mark is an apostrophe which shows where the letters are left out. For example, we will, we will. We have, we have. We are. Cannot, can't. There is, there's. They are, they are. We have, we have. What have, what have. These are some examples of contractions. Words, you will match the words with contractions. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Have not, haven't. Has not, hasn't. Had not, hadn't. Will not, won't. Would not, wouldn't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Did not, didn't. Cannot, can't. Could not, couldn't. Should not, shouldn't. Next is the another example of contractions. In this question, we will match the words with their contractions. First is I will. I will. We are. We are. Shouldn't. Should not. You'd. You would. Would have. Would have. You are. You are. He is. He is. He has. Didn't. Did not. They have. They have. That's. That is. So thank you, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you. Once again, thank you and have a nice day.